All right, so gonna try another hot item here. White Lightning. Yeah, see if it's hotter than the chip. You must be insane to consume this pain. Oh man, look at all the peppers in there.
Can you smell it? It smells pretty good. It smells delicious.
Whoa, it's already hot. Tastes good as shit though. Wow. It tastes really good right now, but I could tell it's gonna get bad. Like the one chip, the chip didn't get hot for like a minute and a half. And then it just skyrocketed to like an 8 or a 9 or maybe even a 10. So hopefully this one ain't as bad. So far, not that bad.
You want to chase it down with a chip?
You
want to chase it down with another chip?
What about a habanero? Is there one in the fridge?
Probably.
Either this thing's a latecomer or it ain't that bad. I don't really... Super good tasting. Yeah, not too bad. That's kind of crazy. Might as well eat a habanero then. Well, they donate 50 meals, so it was good for something. Feed the hungry. Yeah, this one not bad. The one chip challenge, pretty freaking hot. All right, I'm out.